Now we're ready to remove the fasteners that mount the alternator. And for that, I'm going to use, I've said this several times in my videos, my most favorite tool in my toolbox. And it's going to be this 3/8 Milwaukee electric battery operated ratchet. And somebody was asking me the other day, can you use this ratchet manually? Is this the only way you can use it? And yes, you can use it manually. And that's what we're going to do, just to break free these bolts. And then we're going to loosen them the rest of the way using the Milwaukee. So make sure we're turning in the right direction, which we are. We'll go here to this top one. Broke it free. Then we're going to use the Milwaukee to go the rest of the way. That's number one. This one here is going to be a 15 millimeter. And let's do the same thing. Get on it with our Milwaukee. Break it free by hand. And then use the Milwaukee the rest of the way. There we go. Again, Milwaukee 3/8. Probably the most favorite tool in my toolbox. Definitely consider picking you up one. I don't think you'll be disappointed.